First things first, what's actually included in a home at this price point? This is the most important question, and the answer usually isn't what beginners expect. In the tiny home world, two words matter more than anything: shell and turnkey. Shell is essentially just the outer shell of the house: the frame, the roof, the siding, maybe some windows and doors, that's it. Everything else, insulation, electrical, plumbing, drywall, flooring, kitchen, bathroom fixtures, is entirely on you. A turnkey home is the opposite. It's ready to move into on day one. That means plumbing and electrical are already finished, the kitchen and bathroom are complete with sinks, toilets, showers, and often basic appliances like a stove or fridge. You turn the key and you can live there. This difference is massive, and if you don't know it going in, you can get burned. Let's talk numbers. At around $10,000, you're basically looking at fixer-uppers or extremely basic shells. Think a weathered shack or a prefab kit you find online. At that level, you might get walls, a roof, and some windows and doors, but that's it. No plumbing, no electrical, no bathroom, no kitchen. It's just an empty box, and because they're bare bones, listings often won't mention insulation or climate durability at all. The assumption is that you'll supply materials and do the labor yourself. At around $40,000, the game changes. This is the level where you start to see genuine turnkey homes. They're small, usually 100 to 300 square feet, but livable. You'll typically find a working bathroom with a toilet and shower, a kitchen with sink and stove, and full plumbing and wiring. Some listings will mention insulation values, a mini split system for heating and cooling, or even highlight that they're built in America. These are entry-level turnkey homes, but they provide the essentials of real livability. Shipping costs and delivery lead times are also not mentioned, but they're critical. Depending on distance, shipping can add anywhere from hundreds to several $1,000s. Delivery timelines might be weeks or months. The listing itself is pretty honest about trade-offs. In this price range, you'll sacrifice size, condition, location, or convenience. So let's talk livability. A livable home needs water, waste management, electricity, heating, cooling, a working kitchen, and a bathroom. For under $50,000, the only move-in ready options tend to be used mobile homes or very tiny turnkey houses. This shell is just a starting point,